Okay, back here at home, we are dealing with our own extreme weather. We are talking about a heat dome, Paul, that is just gripping the Southland today.
It is pretty hot outside, yes, and will be hot again tomorrow. Thankfully, this is not a prolonged weather event. The hottest days are today and tomorrow. By the end of this week, we won't be 10 or 15 degrees above average. We will be 10 to 15 degrees cooler than average. It's a weather pendulum that's swinging the hot way today. Now, the numbers that stand out to me, not the highest. It's the fact that it's actually making it into the 80s at the beach. Laguna Beach 80, Camarillo 89, Malibu 88, LAX 82. That is so different from what you've had all summer. But it's pretty hot inland as well. Victorville 102, Hemet 108, Santa Clarita 106. Through today, these were the highest temperatures we've had in downtown Los Angeles the entire year. Twice we hit 92 in late July, and on July 17th, among other days, we hit 91. We just got the top of the hour temperatures in, and we are now living in the hottest afternoon we have had so far this year in downtown Los Angeles. 93 degrees with no wind to speak of. There's no breeze to make it feel a little bit cooler outside. It is very hot outside in downtown, the hottest afternoon we've had so far this year. Chino 102, Temecula 100, Burbank and Pasadena 97. Now notice the temperatures in the valleys are hotter than the inland deserts. That happens with an offshore wind event. It's a cooler breeze inland, but then you get the wind going over the mountains and compressional heating as that air sinks into our valleys. That's where we get the hot stuff in the Inland Empire and the San Gabriel and San Fernando Valley. Inland Empire this afternoon, hot. 104 by 2 o'clock, 2 more degrees by 3 up to 106. So why the change? It's such a subtle change that if you had a really wide map of the United States, you might not even see the tweak in the location of this ridge of high pressure. But because it is centered to our west as opposed to our east, this is the perfect spot to give us an offshore wind. Winds wrapping around the dome of high pressure, giving us a north or northeast wind. That eliminates the influence from the ocean, and that allows us to really warm up even at the beach. No cloud cover today, no cloud cover tomorrow. We're sunny and hot from start to finish. 104 for Van Nuys, 107 again tomorrow for San Bernardino. So those heat warnings last for one more day. As soon as Wednesday, though, onshore flow is back, and by the end of this week, a low pressure area over Northern California cranks up a strong onshore flow, and we'll all have morning cloud cover and much cooler weather. For the metro area, today 93, tomorrow 92. That's the heat. By the end of this week, down to 79 degrees. That's your KCAL forecast.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.